Hello students, today we will learn derivative of a parametric functions. If we consider y as a function of x, where both x and y are functions of a variable t, then t is called as a parameter. If x is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t are differentiable functions of a parameter t, then y is a differential function of x and it is given by dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt, followed by the condition that dx by dt is not equal to 0. Now we will consider few sums here. Find dy by dx if first one x is equal to 2at and y is equal to 2at square. So as given x is equal to 2at, here parameter is t, so differentiating with respect to t, so dx by dt is equal to 2a constant as it is into derivative of t is 1, that is only 2a. So dx by dt is equal to 2a. We call this as equation number 1. Now y is equal to 2at square, differentiating with respect to t. So dy by dt is equal to 2a constant and derivative of t square is 2t. So dy by dt is equal to, this 2 into 2 will become 4, so 4at. We call this as equation number 2. Now since we want the value for dy by dx, equation number 2 we will divide by equation 1. So we will get dy by dt upon dx by dt is equal to 4at upon 2a. Now a gets cancelled, 2 2s are 4. So answer is dy by dx is equal to 2t. Now second question, x is equal to e raised to 3t and y is equal to e raised to 4t plus 5. Now given x is equal to e raised to 3t. Now here also parameter is t, so differentiating with respect to t, we will get dx by dt is equal to e raised to 3t, means derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x by using the same format, and the term to which we consider as x, again derivative of that term. So here derivative of 3t will be 3. So dx by dt is equal to 3 into e raised to 3t. We call this as equation number 1. Now y is equal to e raised to 4t plus 5, differentiating with respect to t. So dy by dt is equal to e raised to 4t plus 5 into derivative of 4t plus 5. Here also we will use the same concept, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x into the term to which we consider as x, again derivative of that term. Now derivative of this term will be 4 into 1 plus 0, that is 4. So dy by dt is equal to 4 into e raised to 4t plus 5. We call this as equation number 2. Now equation 2 divides by equation 1 gives us dy by dt upon dx by dt is equal to 4 into e raised to 4t plus 5 upon 3 into e raised to 3t. Now dy by dx is equal to, again we will write the same term. Now suppose we resubstitute the original values of this function here, that is e raised to 4t plus 5 is nothing but y and e raised to 3t is nothing but x, then we will get dy by dx is equal to 4y upon 3x. Now consider the next question, that is question number 3. X is equal to under root 1 plus u square, y is equal to log of 1 plus u square. Now here parameter is u. Now given x is equal to under root 1 plus u square. So differentiating with respect to u. We know that derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. So here we use that concept. So dx by du is equal to 1 upon 2 root of 1 plus u square into the term to which we consider x, derivative of that term. So derivative of 1 plus u square. So 1 upon 2 into root of 1 plus u square into derivative of 1 is 0 plus derivative of u square is 2u. Therefore we will get 2u here. Now 2 gets cancelled. So dx by du is equal to u upon under root 1 plus u square. This is our equation number 1. Now y is equal to log of 1 plus u square. Differentiating with respect to u. As we know derivative of log x is 1 upon x, we use that concept. So dy by du is equal to 1 upon 1 plus u square into derivative of 1 plus u square. Now derivative of this term will be 1, that is 0 plus 2u, that is 2u. So dy by du is equal to 2u upon 1 plus u square. We call this as equation number 2. Now equation 2 divides by equation 1 gives us dy by du upon dx by du is equal to 2u upon 1 plus u square the whole upon u upon under root 1 plus u square. So dy by dx is equal to, here u will get cancelled. So 2 upon 1 plus u square. This division term we will write in the form of multiplication, that is into under root 1 plus u square upon 1. Now we know that root 2 into root 2 is 2. So here instead of 1 plus u square, we can write the same term 2 times in the root, so that one root will get cancelled. So answer will be 2 upon under root 1 plus u square. Now we consider the next question, that is question number 4. Differentiate 5 raised to x with respect to log x. Now here we consider this 5 raised to x as u and log x as v, and we want the value of du by dv. As if we substitute u here and v here, then the question will be differentiate u with respect to v. So as u is equal to 5 raised to x, differentiating with respect to x, du by dx will be 5 raised to x into log 5 by using the formula of a raised to x. Similarly, v is equal to log x. So differentiating with respect to x, so dv upon dx is equal to 1 upon x. We call this as equation number 2. Now here, since we want the value for du by dv, equation number 1 divides by equation 2 gives us du by dx upon dv by dx, that is 5 raised to x into log 5 upon 1 upon x. So this x we will write in the numerator. So du by dv is equal to x into 5 raised to x into log 5. Now fifth one, differentiate log t with respect to log of 1 plus t square. Here, since the parameter is t, first we will consider this term as y, that is y is equal to log t, and we consider this term as x, that is x is equal to log of 1 plus t square. Now differentiating y with respect to x means we want the value for dy by dx. So let's consider y first. Differentiating with respect to t, we will get dy by dt is equal to 1 upon t. because the term is log t. And as x is equal to log of 1 plus t square, differentiating with respect to t, here derivative will be 1 upon 1 plus t square into derivative of the term 1 plus t square, and derivative of this term will be 0 plus 2t, so we will get 2t upon 1 plus t square. Now equation 1 we will divide by equation 2 because we want dy by dx value. So dy by dt upon dx by dt is equal to 1 upon t upon 2t upon 1 plus t square. So we will write this division term in terms of multiplication. So 1 upon t into 1 plus t square upon 2t. So this t into t will become t square. So dy by dx is equal to 1 plus t square upon 2t square. Thank you, students.